Are you having trouble protecting yourself from a financial perspective in these difficult times? Well, I'm here to solve that problem, recommending you the best strategy to invest there in tough times like this one we are in right now. One of the best advice I can give you is to spread your money into different accounts that are insured by the FDIC. Suppose you don't know what this means, don't worry. In simple words, a bank account protected by the FDIC means that the government protects your money in that account up to $250,000. So you will not lose it if your banks go bankrupt. If you have more than $250,000, move that over another account. Always try not to keep more than that amount in a single account. You can read more about this on their website fdic.gov, so always check that they back your bank account. Now let's move on to some investments. You probably have heard that gold and silver are good ones in hard times, which is real. For that reason, most experts recommend keeping around 10% of your net worth invested in gold or silver. These materials act like insurance in your investments, because if the stock market goes down and the worst scenario comes, what usually will happen is that gold or silver will go up in value, or at least hold it longer than regular stock. You can buy gold or silver online and get delivered to your door, or even buy it online. And some companies will store your gold or silver, or you can buy gold stocks from exchange traded funds like SPDR GLD, which you buy like a regular stock but is backed by physical gold and is moved by the price of the gold. So buying one stock of this ETF, you are buying a small piece of real gold. The next I wanna talk to you about is cash. Why cash? Well, because having some cash at home can help you take advantage of a new opportunity that can come out, like be buying a house in cash, or maybe isn't an opportunity but you have some backup in case your bank can give you cash quickly. Most experts recommend having around 10% of your money in cash. You may think having the cash you're losing money because your bank gives you interest. Still, the reality is unless you have your money in a high yield saving account, the interest that your regular bank will give you usually is almost insignificant, and increases time the interest goes down, so you will not lose money. Let's talk about real estate, and here we have some opportunities to consider. You can buy a home for yourself when prices go down and take advantage of the low interests that are right now. You can get a 30-year fixed loan for less than 4% of interest, which is good in today's times. In that way, you can get a house for a fair price and keep it or even sell it years later when the market recovers. If you are in a better position and already have a house or want to make a profit, you can buy a rental property. You buy a house with cash if you can, or with a low interest mortgage, and rent it out. And probably with the monthly payment of your tenants, you can pay the mortgage and even make some profit of it. The last piece of advice that I want to share with you is about the stock market. It's true that in difficult times, the stock market probably will go down. But not all the stocks goes down in the same way, and there are always some stronger than others. There are sectors of the economy that will be affected more than others. For example, the airlines may take some time to recover, and maybe many airlines will shut down. So it would be better if you find companies that have high demand now, like grocery stores, postal services, or delivery companies. Also, focus on the things that people always need, like food, energy, solar power, etc. If you are smart enough now buying some stocks, maybe in 3 to 5 years, that can be an excellent investment. You don't have to be a magician to invest right. You have to take the time to learn yourself, and in that way you will not be gambling, but investing. That's all I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling me what you think. Well, see you in the next video.